When homeowners in Redmond consider new window installations, energy efficiency and style often top the list. But windows also play a critical role in two other areas that can't be overlooked: security and privacy. One style that delivers well on both is the awning window. With their unique top-hinged design, awning windows open outward from the bottom, offering practical benefits that help protect your home while maintaining your comfort and peace of mind. The design advantage of awning windows: unlike sliding or double-hung windows, awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward. This design provides built-in advantages for security and privacy. Limited opening space. Because awning windows don't slide wide open, they reduce the opportunity for intruders to enter. Strategic placement. Awning windows are often installed higher on walls, bathrooms, or above larger fixed windows, making them harder to access from outside. Ventilation without exposure. You can keep them open for fresh air without sacrificing safety or visibility. The design itself makes awning windows a smart choice for Redmond homes where homeowners want airflow and privacy without compromising protection. Enhanced home security. Security is a top priority for families in Redmond, and awning windows provide features that help safeguard your property. Robust locking systems. Modern awning windows are equipped with multi-point locks that secure the window at more than one point, making them harder to force open. Strong materials. Fiberglass, vinyl, and aluminum frames add durability, while laminated or tempered glass resists breakage. Smaller entry points. Even when open, awning windows don't provide enough space for intruders to squeeze through easily. When paired with professional installation, these features make awning windows an excellent option for homeowners looking to increase peace of mind. Added privacy for your living spaces. Privacy is another area where awning windows shine. High wall placement. Because they can be installed higher up on walls, awning windows let in natural light without giving neighbors or passers-by a direct view inside. Bathrooms and bedrooms. Perfect for private spaces where you want airflow without sacrificing discretion. Pairing with larger windows. Many homeowners install awning windows above or below picture windows, creating natural light and views while still controlling visibility. This flexibility helps you enjoy both comfort and privacy throughout your Redmond home. Comfort and practical benefits. Awning windows offer more than just security and privacy. They bring day-to-day conveniences as well. Ventilation in any weather. Their outward tilt allows fresh air to enter even during light rain, without water seeping in. Noise reduction. Multi-pane glass and strong seals help block outdoor noise, adding to your home's privacy. Energy efficiency. Well-sealed awning windows keep conditioned air inside, lowering energy costs while maintaining comfort. These practical benefits add lasting value while supporting your lifestyle. Why professional installation matters. To maximize the security and privacy advantages of awning windows, proper installation is key. Tight seals. Professionals ensure there are no gaps where air, water, or sound can sneak in. Secure hardware fitting. Correct installation ensures locks and hinges work at their strongest capacity. Custom placement. Experts can help you choose the best locations for privacy and airflow without compromising your home's design. Professional installation guarantees your investment performs exactly as intended. Final thoughts for Redmond homeowners. Awning windows are more than just a stylish upgrade. They're a practical solution for enhancing security, privacy, and everyday comfort. Their unique design allows ventilation without exposure. Robust locks and durable materials provide peace of mind, and their placement options give you control over natural light and visibility. By combining style, strength, and smart functionality, awning windows offer long-term value that makes your home safer, quieter, and more private. If you're considering a window upgrade, investing in professionally installed awning windows is a smart step toward a more secure and comfortable Redmond property.